Hi again. In another Computing with Dr. D video, we're looking at Arduino, this time with 3 LEDs. I've got some wiring there on the Arduino with a ground and using plugs 5, 6 and 7, which are allocated for you in the code. So we will get into this by running through a few images for you. In the next image I've got a picture of the actual correct resistors that you should use. I found an old board, it had the wrong resistors in it. There's two lots of resistors, one's 10k and one is, as I see there, 220 ohms. They are 10k ohms or 220 ohms. They're the two types there. One has 2 bands of red, the other one only has the 1 band of red and a couple of black lines. So if you're running it with, I replaced one of the resistors here, and you see the first light is running really brightly, but the second one is running extremely dimly, and so is the third one there. So when I replace them all with the correct resistors, running the same circuit, same program through the circuit, you can see the red, the yellow and the green are quite bright, which you can see with good visibility. We'll give you the code for that. So here's the code for the 3 LEDs. As you can see there, I'm hoping that you have LED blue. You've got the pins there, blue pin 5, yellow 6, red 7, and the outputs are controlled by those pins with the pin mode command. And you've got low on the other two and high on the red, and then you reverse your way through those so that it cycles through each of the kind of flashing lights. You've got some other code there that's slightly different to this that you can download, but it should work. But make sure you wire it correctly. If you look at this and pause this video, you'll be able to see the correct wiring, obviously. The other thing to know there at the start of that video is that the actual shapes of these LEDs is they've got a square spot. Now that square spot, so they go to ground with the square end, which goes into that wire, which goes onto the board there, the breadboard, and then they lead back into there. The other side is the positive side, which goes to the numbered pins on the Arduino. I'll leave that there. Thanks for watching another Arduino tutorial. We'll see you next time.